What if I told you every Apple device you own is about to feel very old? Stop scrolling and listen closely. The tech world is in absolute chaos right now. Huge rumors are leaking from deep within supply chains. We are looking at a ruthless takeover of the entire tech industry. Apple is planning a massive silicon shockwave. Companies like Samsung, Google, and Microsoft are reportedly panicking. We have spent countless hours looking at patents and leaks. Cross-referenced exclusive insider. Tips just for you. We want to show you what Apple is desperately hiding behind closed doors. This is not just a normal spring update. It is a massive leap forward that rewrites the rules. Grab a snack and settle in. Do not skip a single second. We are about to decode some earth-shattering secrets. Let us start with the device that introduces millions to Apple. The basic iPad is the undisputed king of budget tablets. It is loved by students and families. It has made some confusing product choices in the past. Now, the 12th generation iPad is wiping the slate clean. It will redefine what a budget tablet can do. The biggest leak we found is about the screen. Apple is finally using a laminated display for the base model. This means the annoying air gap between the glass and the screen is gone. Touching the screen will feel much more premium. Drawing and taking notes will be highly responsive. The new iPad will also be noticeably thinner. It will have much smaller bezels. It borrows its design straight from the expensive iPad Pro lineup. Apple is also adding bold, deeply anodized colors. But the real magic is hidden under the hood. Apple is giving it the highly efficient A18 chip. It comes with a baseline of 8 GB of memory. This is a massive deal for a budget device. It means the cheapest iPad can run advanced Apple Intelligence. You can transcribe college lectures in real time. You can summarize notes instantly. Without needing the cloud, you can edit multiple high-definition videos without the app crashing. It will also support the Apple Pencil Pro. You get premium drawing features like barrel roll and haptic feedback. This iPad stops being just a budget tablet. It becomes a highly capable computer that might beat the iPad Air. Next, we have to talk about the absolute darling of the tech community. The iPad Mini 8 is finally getting the love it deserves. Fans love the Mini, but Apple often makes them wait years for updates. That narrative is changing right now. The iPad Mini 8 will be a pocket-sized powerhouse. It will defy the laws of physics. The screen is getting a massive, long-awaited upgrade. Apple is bringing old technology to the 8-inch screen. The colors will be vibrant, and the blacks will be infinite. Movies and digital comics will look like painted art. It will also feature a 120 Hz promotion display. Swiping between home screens will feel incredibly fluid. The infamous jelly scrolling issue is gone forever. Inside, the Mini 8 is getting the highly anticipated A19 Pro chip. This is the exact same silicon used in flagship iPhones. It will have amazing power and battery efficiency. This makes the iPad Mini 8 a portable gaming monster. You can play huge console games like Resident Evil with high graphics. If you can pair it with a PlayStation controller and game anywhere. It will also handle artificial intelligence like a pro. Siri will be smarter and faster across all your apps. The camera can instantly identify objects and translate text. It is like holding a science fiction device in one hand. Now let us look at the desktop computers. The Mac Mini M5 is going to shock the industry. The Mac Mini is already very powerful. But the M5 chip pushes desktop computing to extreme limits. This chip uses very little power. Thermal throttling is virtually a thing of the past. Apple is also making a Mac Mini M5 Pro version. It fits in your hand but rivals giant desktop towers. Video editors and software engineers will love this machine. It can compile massive code bases in total silence. Apple is also adding Thunderbolt 5 ports. This means super fast data speeds up to 120 gigabits per second. A bidding by Padavada with It is perfect for running AI tasks completely locally. Your Mac can write code and remove video backgrounds instantly. It does this without sending a single byte of data to a server. Best of all, it stays incredibly affordable. This tiny box will completely disrupt the PC market. Competitors will not be able to answer this threat. Finally, let us talk about the wild card of the event. The Apple TV 4K is getting a major overhaul. Apple wants to conquer your living room completely. They're putting a massively overpowered chip inside it. It might be the A18 or a special M-series processor. Why does a streaming box need that much power? The answer is gaming and spatial computing. This turns the Apple TV into a legitimate gaming console. You can play the same huge games as you do on your Mac. You can start an open-world game on your iPad and finish it on your TV. Apple is building an invisible bridge between all its devices. Apple is also adding a built-in camera and microphone. You can make crystal-clear FaceTime calls right from your couch. Center stage technology keeps everyone in the frame automatically. You can also use it for interactive fitness applications. The camera will track your body movements and analyze your form. The Apple TV will also be the ultimate smart home hub. Siri will be faster at turning off lights and viewing security cameras. It will feature amazing zero-latency spatial audio with AirPods. You will feel like you are in a high-end movie theater. Apple is building an impenetrable, deeply interconnected ecosystem. They are claiming the future of computing for the next 10 years. The pressure on competitors has never been higher. The future is arriving faster than anyone anticipated. In my best opinion, these upcoming products are an absolute game changer. The 12th generation iPad is incredibly impressive because it finally brings premium, pro-level features to everyday buyers without breaking the bank. But the true star of this leak is the iPad mini 8. Combining an old screen with the massive power of the A19 Pro chip makes it the most perfect everyday carry device. It completely balances reading, high-end gaming, and productivity in a size that fits in a small bag. Apple is no longer just selling simple gadgets to fill a lineup. They are creating a deeply connected world where every single screen you touch is an intelligent powerhouse. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.